Here I have Thomson TO 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely you will have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds, so let's get it. And after the screen turns on and you can see Thomson logo appeared, you should release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, reboot to bootloader. And after that device will boot in the boot mode. So this Android robot is basically what boot mode is like, I guess, and yeah. So if you want to quit it, all you need to do is to just hold down power key for about 7 or 10 seconds, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. Hopefully. Okay, so if this power key doesn't work, we hold down power key plus volume down at the same time, and after that device should be should restart for sure. Yeah. Okay, so basically you have to quit this mode, you firstly hold down power key and volume down to quit it, and then you hold down power key once again to turn back your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.